Hey guys, thank you for tuning in here to this video. We're going to be doing an unboxing here with a new sponsor of the channel. They sent me a unit here to do a review and they gave me a link, guys, and it's going to be down below. It's going to hook y'all up. You know, it's going to hook y'all up with a little fatty discount if you decide to get this. And we're going to be reviewing more of their cases, stuff like that, as it's going to be coming. You know, of course, we're doing it raw out here in the park because why do we want to be like everybody else that does it in their house or in a lab, stuff like that? No, we do it wherever the hell we want, baby. So let's turn this thing around and let's get it going. And yeah, let's turn it around. All right, guys, so we got a package here. This is from the new sponsor of the channel, or affiliate. We're going to say affiliate more. They sent me a review unit here to unbox. It's from Ghostek USA. They're based out of New York. They do military grade cases, stuff like that. But today, let's see what they sent us. Let's get it opened up. They end up sending us their Ghostek shade sunglasses, guys. So these are supposed to be sunglasses basically that have Bluetooth speaker on each end. So it's going to be bone conductive sound, which is nice, so you don't have to have stuff in your ear. It's going to have, how do you call it? You'll be able to listen to your favorite music, your podcast, and then with a simple tap on the side of the frames, you can, play, pause, and change the music tracks, and as well as answer and hang up calls without ever having to take the phone out of your pocket, or your bag or wherever the heck you keep your phone at, that back pocket, backpack, whatever. And, it's good stuff. So let's get this box open, and let's see how the heck these guys look. Yeah, let's check them out. Let's see here. How do we get this box open? Oh, okay. So there's a little thing here. So we'll just keep it going. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. And we'll see here. Oh, so it's like kind of magnetic. Nice. Nice presentation with the box. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Okay, so there's nothing else in here. So we'll put that off to the side. Look at this, guys. It literally comes in a nice little pouch case. Ghostek. Good material. All right. Let's unzip it. Okay, so in here you get your little card, giving you the IG and the TikToks hashtag. You get thank you and one more time. So a thank you. Need instruction using the shades. You scan this QR code if you need more instructions about it. Nice presentation right there. All right. Let's see here. They give you your charging cable. So it's like a magnetic custom cable to USB-A. So this is kind of like the Shox headsets of the world. And then of course here, these are for like in between your nose, so you get a better feel of the rubber. That's nice. And then what else is in here? Oh, and they actually even give you your little microfiber rag to clean the shades. Not bad. So let's put this all back in here, of course. Now let's get the glasses out. All right, let's get these out of the bag. Oh wow, look at these guys. They look nice. So far they look good. So as you saw, that's what that rubber inserts was for. So this is all supposed to be tap based. Oh, right when you open them, they turn on. Nice. So let me get these paired up to my phone, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. So I had to change this little tip right here. So those little rubber inserts that were there earlier that I was showing you guys, that's what those are for. So it can fit your nose. It can be comfortable. So we got these, all paired up with the phone. And also, guys, what I want to let you know is these are very lightweight. They actually feel really light. Good material too. It's not bad. I mean, for the price point, you can't really complain, but I wish they would have used a little bit more of a like frame type metal frame. But hey, you know what? It's not bad. It's not bad. All right. So I wanted to let y'all know. Of course, these are good for outdoors. These have enhanced sound quality. They're IPX5 water resistant rating. They have an integrated microphone. They have a 100 milliwatt amp hour battery. And of course, it gives you about 3.5 to 4 hours on 100% charge. About 6 hours on 70% volume, standby 120 hours, and it has, of course, the 2-pin charger and the buttons are all pressure points, so it's literally like on the side of the arms. They're pressure points. And it comes with warranty, and the mic is omnidirectional. And as you can see, it's already playing music, so we're gonna put these on, guys. And I can hear Mr. Dantana in the house. You know, we got the Dantana beats playing. They actually sound really good, man. I don't know, maybe I can get the mic up here. Hold on a second. Let me grab this mic out of here. Let's see if you guys can hear that. Yep, they sound pretty good. Sound pretty good. You know, so far they feel really light on you. They're not bad at all. They fit just right, as you can see right here, right on the sides. So it's all bone conducting, nothing in your ear at all. You know what? Like right now I'm looking at light. The light, the sunshade of it keeps the light mellow, covers all your eyes really good. Good sound. Let's get the guys on the Google Meet chat real quick, and I'm gonna ask them how the audio is. We're gonna call somebody on the phone while we're on here, and I want them to tell me how I sound. So I'm gonna call Rick, and it's on the shades. All right, let's see if he answers me. All right, let's see, can we do volume? No, not on the volume. Oh yeah, you can. Hey, yo, what up, Rick? Ricky, how do I sound right now? Because right now I'm recording this video unboxing these Ghostek shades with their bone conducting sunglasses headset, Bluetooth headset. How does it sound, the microphone? Does it sound good? I mean, do I sound clear? All right, hold on a second. Let me grab the mic here. And so, hold on a second. I do. There's a bunch of cars driving by. I'm here in the park next to the main road, and there's a bunch of cars to keep driving up and down. Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on a second. Let me put you on speaker.
Sound like you're.
So you.
Sound like you're in a noisy environment.
Well, okay, I put you on speaker now, so it sounded good then. So the noise cancellation worked pretty decent.
Yeah, it seemed like it worked good.
Okay. All right, let me give you a call back, bro, because I'm finishing the video.
Now you're half as loud as before.
Because I got you on speaker right now, so you're on this video. So I just wanted to get your input real quick, bro, and I will give you a call when I'm done. Thank you, sir. I appreciate your input,
Ricky.
Ricky.
It sounded pretty good, actually. Yeah, I was surprised. It kind of sounded like the open call a little bit.
There you guys go. All right, Ricky. I'll call you back in a few. Thank you, bro.
All right.
All right. Bye.
See ya.
All right, guys. You guys heard it right there from Mr. KoTEch. He approves because he's very picky. I'm telling you guys this right now. He is very picky when it comes to sound and microphones and all that, and he will literally rip you a new one if the sound is horrible. So now the next thing is, guys, is it worth it? For the price point, it's not bad, guys. It's $99, not bad at all. But I am going to say something. Down below is a link. It's going to save you some money on these. So if you're interested in these glasses, check out that link down below. And it helps out your boy here on the channel too. You know, either way. I greatly appreciate y'all for tuning into this little unboxing. You know, it's a little bit longer, but we had to test it, you know. And the sound quality is good for what it is for bone conduction. Really good. Not bad. And it's Rick approved. It's Carlos S. Tech approved. Good job, Ghostek. And I can't wait for them cases to come in. All right, we're going to catch you in the next one, guys. Thank you. God bless. And peace. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we upload content. Have a great one. Peace.